What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the HealthyCell Focus and Recall Nootropic. It comes in this box, and within that box you have these packets which are pill-free, which is nice, and it's a peach pineapple flavor, which is delicious, by the way. And, you know, I'm pretty skeptical when it comes to nootropics because I take a lot of different nootropics, and I'm always testing health and wellness products. I mean, you can look at the channel here and see how many different health and wellness products I'm testing out, fitness products, supplements, superfoods, and so much more. And, you know, I gotta say, I was pleasantly surprised with HealthyCell's Focus and Recall formula. And I'll give you a little study that I did, a little research on my own brain to see how effective this product is. So I test products, specifically nootropics, based on the performance of my brain, based on my chess score. Now, for those of you that don't play chess, let me give you a quick overview. When you play chess, you have a score, and that score reflects how good of a chess player you are. Now, for me, I know that my brain is working better when my chess score is higher, and I know that my brain isn't working as well when my chess score is lower. So oftentimes when I take a new nootropic supplement for brain health, I pay very close attention to my chess score to see the effectiveness of that nootropic product. Now, this is a bit subjective. Obviously, it's my own individual subjective experience. However, I have noticed that when I take nootropics, my chess score will increase based on the effectiveness of that nootropic product. For example, the last nootropic that I took, my chess score increased by about 20 to 30 points, which is approximately a 10% increase. Now, fast forward to the past week, I've been taking HealthyCell's Focus and Recall, and believe it or not, my chess score went up 100 points, which is quite literally a 33% increase or so, 30, 35, somewhere in that range, increase in my chess score. In other words, I'm tripping over words because it's so incredible. My cognitive capacity, that's a bit of a tongue twister too, increased by about 33%. Because my chess score went from 360 or so to 489. So quite literally a third of my chess score was added to my chess score by taking Focus and Recall by HealthyCell. And it's funny because initially when I took Focus and Recall from HealthyCell, I played chess the first day and I didn't really notice anything different. But then what I realized was that after building up my nutritional capacity that my brain needed, such as all the ingredients in the formula, which I'll dive into, my brain got these ingredients and these nutrients, and then my chess score just started rising and rising and rising until it got close to my all-time high. And now I'm going to continue on this for the next week, and hopefully I'll get to a new all-time high with my chess score. So enough geeking out about chess. You probably don't care about that. So what are the ingredients in HealthyCell? Well, the first ingredient is taurine. Taurine is an amino acid, and it's one of the most abundant amino acids in your brain, in your heart, and in your muscles. So it's an incredibly important amino acid, and that's one of the key ingredients in HealthyCell's bioavailable liquid gel formula. I'm tripping over words today. And then you have L-Tyrosine, which is beneficial for boosting your dopamine levels. It's also beneficial for norepinephrine levels. Your dopamine, by the way, is known as your motivation hormone. So you quite literally feel more motivated, more focused, and more dialed in with HealthyCell. Next, you have ginseng. Ginseng quite literally just gives you a boost of mental energy. And this is valuable because your brain needs energy, just like your mitochondria in your brain or in your heart or in your muscles need energy. Your brain needs that energy, and ginseng does just that. The next ingredient, and I'm going to chop this, is phosphatidylserine. I might have got that right, I don't know. And that enhances your brain cell communication. In other words, the cells in your brain, the synapses are communicating with each other, and if they're not communicating properly, then you are not getting what you need to optimally function. So this is crucial. The next ingredient is L-Theanine. L-Theanine helps with focus and relaxation, and it also helps with your alpha brainwaves. So really valuable there. We often see L-Theanine in a lot of like energy drinks and things like this, and it's a very important ingredient. The next one is Ahiflower, and I was actually pleasantly surprised to see this ingredient. This is sort of a new ingredient in the health and wellness world, in the supplement world. It's quite rare still, but this is good for brain cell protection, and it's a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids that help to reduce inflammation in the body, and in this case, particularly in the brain. The next ingredient is Huperzine A, which boosts your acetylcholine levels. And this helps with your memory, your learning speed, and it's also great for neuroprotection. Now, what's valuable here is that your acetylcholine is an incredibly important nutrient that most people aren't even aware of that benefits your brain health. Really, the richest source of it is from eggs. So it's good to get eggs in your diet. However, most eggs are not healthy because they're factory farmed or they're cage free, which actually means nothing. And most people just don't get enough acetylcholine in their diet, especially vegans and vegetarians. So if you're a vegan and vegetarian, this is a vegan formula. It literally says right there on the package, it's vegan. And you will want to get Focus and Recall in your body to give your brain acetylcholine to build and be healthy. So, and it also has a little bit of caffeine from green coffee beans. Very small amount though. All the amino acids are higher. And I believe there's also some B vitamins in here and some other adaptogens as well. But that's the majority of the formula. It works incredibly well. I really like it. And I love, it's funny because when I first started taking this, I was a little bit skeptical, to be honest, because I took the REM Sleep from HealthyCell recently, and I forgot how great of a product that was. It really helped my sleep quality. And I started taking this, I'm like, I don't really feel or see anything. And then my chest score just skyrocketed, like, I mean, higher than it ever has in that short of a time span. So I'm incredibly grateful for HealthyCell and their Focus and Recall formula. I'm going to be taking a lot more of their products from now on. I highly recommend them. And if you want to try out Focus and Recall or any of their other products like REM Sleep, which is incredible for increasing your sleep quality. Also, another cool fun fact about REM Sleep is I notice my dream recall and dream clarity is much higher when I take REM Sleep. Like I remember my dreams and they're vivid, which is really cool. They also have many other different formulas for many other various purposes. So check out HealthyCell. I'll put the link below. And that link below, it's healthycell.com/healthywildfree. That will give you 20% off Focus and Recall, REM Sleep, or any other formulas. They have a good cardiovascular health formula. They have a really great Una de Gato or cat's claw formula. And they have a great bioactive multivitamin formula. They have many different formulas. So check them out below. I'll link them up. And the best part about it is these gel packs are actually delicious. It's like a little treat to start your day and end your day. And additionally, that gel pack is much more bioavailable. I believe it's like 165% more bioavailable than these same nutrients in a pill form. So it gets in your body, it gets in your cells, and it goes to work. That's it for this video. If you want to learn more about HealthyCell, like I said, check the link below. And if you want to learn more about the health and wellness brands that I vet, check out healthywildfree.com/shop below. And you can check out all these different health and wellness brands that I personally use as a health and wellness coach and that I also recommend to my clients. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.